A convoy of Russian troop trucks moving along a vulnerable frontline route reportedly came under a sudden wave of Ukrainian FPV first-person view drone attacks, turning what began as a routine military movement into a chaotic battle for survival. Within moments, precision-guided drones descended on the vehicles, with multiple explosions erupting along the convoy. Thick columns of smoke quickly rose over the roadway as surviving troops scrambled to escape the unfolding ambush. According to battlefield reports circulating from the area, the convoy had been advancing toward a forward position believed to be supporting ongoing Russian offensive operations. The trucks, loaded with personnel and military supplies, were traveling in relatively close formation. Such movement, while intended to maintain coordination, also created an opportunity for Ukrainian drone operators monitoring the route from concealed positions. FPV drones have become one of Ukraine's most effective battlefield tools because of their speed, maneuverability, and relatively low cost. Guided by operators wearing video goggles, these drones can fly at high speed and strike vulnerable sections of moving vehicles with remarkable precision. Their growing presence has significantly altered frontline tactics, forcing both sides to rethink how troop movements are conducted near active combat zones. As the convoy entered the suspected kill zone, Ukrainian reconnaissance drones reportedly maintained continuous surveillance, relaying live imagery to FPV drone teams waiting for the ideal moment to attack. Once the convoy was fully exposed on the open road, multiple drones were launched almost simultaneously, overwhelming the convoy before defensive measures could be organized. The lead truck was reportedly struck first, blocking the narrow route and forcing the following vehicles to slow or stop. Seconds later, additional FPV drones targeted trucks farther back in the column, trapping several vehicles between burning wrecks. The coordinated strikes created confusion as drivers attempted to maneuver away while avoiding further drone attacks. Russian troops reportedly attempted to disperse into nearby tree lines and defensive positions after abandoning damaged vehicles. However, drone operators often use reconnaissance aircraft to continue tracking troop movements, allowing follow-up FPV drones to engage newly identified targets if conditions permit. This tactic has increasingly appeared in combat footage released by both sides throughout the conflict. Military analysts note that modern FPV drone operations rarely depend on a single aircraft. Instead, coordinated teams combine reconnaissance drones, communications specialists, electronic warfare support, and multiple strike drones into a highly organized system. This layered approach improves target identification, increases strike accuracy, and allows operators to adapt quickly as the battlefield situation changes. The destruction of troop transport vehicles represents more than the loss of equipment. Such attacks can delay reinforcements, interrupt supply deliveries, and force commanders to alter operational plans. Replacing damaged trucks may be easier than replacing experienced personnel or recovering momentum during an active offensive operation. The incident also highlights the increasing challenge of protecting vehicle convoys from low-flying drones. Conventional armored protection often provides limited defense against explosive drones that deliberately target weak points such as engines, cargo compartments, or exposed troop areas. As a result, military forces have begun employing electronic warfare systems, anti-drone weapons, protective cages, and more dispersed convoy formations. Both Ukraine and Russia continue investing heavily in drone technology as unmanned systems reshape modern warfare. FPV drones, once primarily civilian racing devices adapted for combat, have evolved into highly effective precision strike platforms capable of engaging vehicles at a fraction of the cost of traditional guided missiles. Their widespread use has transformed the battlefield into an environment where even short vehicle movements carry significant risk. Independent observers caution that casualty figures and equipment losses reported immediately after combat engagements often vary considerably between official statements and open-source assessments. Battlefield claims made by either side should therefore be treated carefully until additional evidence, satellite imagery, or verified geolocation becomes available. Military experts believe that future operations will increasingly depend on integrating drones into every stage of combat, from reconnaissance and target acquisition to precision strikes and post-strike battle damage assessment. Commanders who successfully coordinate these systems may gain a significant tactical advantage over forces relying primarily on conventional armored movements. As fighting continues across multiple sectors of the front, both armies are adapting rapidly to the expanding role of unmanned systems. Convoys that once depended mainly on speed and armored escorts must now contend with persistent aerial surveillance capable of detecting movement almost immediately after it begins.